welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a Star Wars game using if loops, repeat loops and variables. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell to never miss out any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. I've already logged into code.org and clicked on projects. So now we scroll down, you can see view full list. Next, under the category of games with events, we click on Star Wars blocks. We click on actions. We set a background. So I'm going to set the background as a horse. We again click on actions and get set blank map, blank, random, circle, horizontal, grid and blobs. So I'm going to try grid. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna keep it like that. In this game, there'll be a character which is called the droid. You can see it there. And after that, there'll be stormtroopers or puffer pigs, and the droid needs to catch them all. So now we again click on actions, and we're going to set droid to. I'm going to raise C3PO, and again I'm going to click on actions. And we could set speed, set droid to a fast speed. So we reset. And now to add the characters, we click on loops, repeat loop. So here we are using a repeat loop, and the repeat loop, we just give a number how many times it should repeat the blocks inside. So like here do. So I want to add a stormtrooper. So I'm going to add a stormtrooper how many times? Maybe 5 times. So now we have 5 stormtroopers. You can see there are 5 stormtroopers. So now I'm going to reset. I'm going to copy paste it. I just select the block, Control C and Control V. Now I have no block. I'm again going to repeat it 5 times, and this time I'll get a mouse right. That's right. Yep. So now we click on events and when up arrow. That means when up arrow click, we need to move our droid or our C3PO up. So click on actions, move droid up by, I'm just giving it as 5 pixels or maybe 10. Yeah, 10 is fine. So now I'm going to copy paste it, Control C and V, V, up, down, right, left. So in down, move right, down. In right, move right, right. And in left, move right, left. So there we go. Now let's try it out. I'm just going to make it big so that you guys can see. Right. So yes, it's moving. Reset the game. Make it smaller. So now we have done our code for the background, for the characters, and for moving right and left. So now we again click on actions, and you can even set a stormtrooper type, or maybe like I'm going to set a set type stormtrooper to a slow speed if you want the characters to go slow. So I'm going to keep stormtroopers and mouse droids to a slow speed. So now, as you can see that we have done only this much code, and let's try if they're going slow or fast. So you can see they're going pretty slow. So for today we are going to do only this much, but I'll have a part 2 of this video. So make sure to try out this much. Have fun coding. Goodbye.